Welcome to this market overview of the Global Cathodoluminescence (CL) detector market. At the nanoscale, material defects are invisible unless you use cathodoluminescence detectors. In 2024, the Global Cathodoluminescence (CL) detector market is valued at USD 285 million. The market is projected to reach USD 470 million by 2030, growing at an 8.7% CAGR. CL detectors enable nanoscale material analysis, supporting SEM-based failure analysis, optical property mapping, and semiconductor R&D. North America leads with about 38% market share, driven by advanced SEM installations and strong semiconductor R&D spending. Europe follows with strong academic and material science demand, while Asia-Pacific is the fastest-growing region due to expanding semiconductor fabrication. Growth is driven by advanced node development, quantum materials research, and rising demand for high-resolution defect analysis. Key challenges include high system costs, technical complexity, and limited skilled operators. Bottom line, cathodoluminescence. Detectors are essential to next-gen semiconductor and materials innovation. To know more about our research services, visit www.𝗵𝗿𝗆𝗄𝗏marketresearch.com or reach out to us at inquiries@𝗵𝗿𝗆marketresearch.com.